Let's say you want to create an outline for a client case study. You've already spoken with the client, so you have a bunch of notes, but you're not sure how to organize them. An AI chatbot can help you organize your notes into an outline that you can use to write the case study. Here's how you do it. First, identify what you want in the outline. You can write something like, use my notes to create an outline for a client case study. Highlight challenges, solutions our company provided, and the results of those solutions. But don't send your message yet. Next, upload your notes to the chatbot. You can reword your notes or paste them into the chat as is. With your notes and prompt in the text box, you can now send your message to get an outline. Finally, ask follow-up questions. Now that you have an outline to start with, you can ask follow-up questions to add more detail. Maybe you don't like how short the outline is. You can simply type, make this outline more detailed, or add more detail in the introduction section. Once you have an outline you like, you can edit it and use it to write your case study. But remember to always double-check the information that the chatbot gave you. AI can still hallucinate information or metrics that don't exist.